All right. This is for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam, our first class in this session. Woohoo! And we're learning a song by ear, the song Taquila. And today we're focusing on the first part. There's two parts. Part A, da 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 da. And the second part we're going to get to next week. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Taquila. I put that in because that's your homework. See if you can figure out the chords in part two, the second part. But the first part, we roundabout way we discovered two chords in part one, the A part, a C and a B flat, back and forth. And I'm going to this form, looks like a B flat, because it is a B flat. But I'm doing it with my index finger in the third fret, and that's a C. It's a movable form. So when I'm sliding back and forth, you're going to have to just work with this. I'm lightening my touch, but I'm not removing my fingers from the fretboard. So it looks like this, 2, 3, 4. La, 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 la. I'm just strumming down on the beat. La, 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 la. 2, 3, 4. La, 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 la. 3, 4. La, 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 la. Let's do it with the drum. I'm at 115 with a mambo beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. 2, 3, 4. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Now I'm going to slow that way down. And what we're going to do is just a little muting technique that you can certainly use in this song and tons of other songs. We'll slow it way down. Da, 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 da. Okay, so now what am I doing? On the downbeat, the all-important first beat in a measure, we want to establish the harmony, and I frequently interchange the word harmony for chords. So we want to hear that C chord. It gets in our brain on the first beat, but what do we do on beat 2? Well, in this case, beat 2. Because the configuration in this song that we're playing by ear is 2 beats of C, 2 beats of B flat, 4 beats of C, 2, 3, again, 2 beats of C, 2 beats of B flat, 4 beats of C. 2 beats C, 2 beats B flat, 4 beats of C. 2 beats of C, 2 beats of B flat, and 4. Da da da. So I'm doing sounding it and then doing a scratch. How do you do the scratch? You just lighten the touch, the pressure in your left hand. Here I'm pushing in, and now I don't know if you can see this. Here I'm pushing in, and then I'm lightening the touch. Do you see how slight my movement is? Look at that. Let's just try that. So sound it, and then a scratch. Sound, scratch. Sound, scratch. Sound, scratch. Let's go down to the B flat. Sound, scratch. And then C. So the configuration would be sound, scratch, B flat, scratch, sound, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, So here I am. Put my tush on the cush here. this is new to you. Start off by just strumming down on the beat. We're at 97. Da, 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 da. Just like that. Down, down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Next, try doing a down up on each beat. 2, 3, 4. Down, da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. See, we're doubling the energy. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. All right? Now let's try a little mute thing. So it'll be da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I'm doing it down, up with my right hand. Da, 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 da. 3, 4. Da, 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 da. I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. We're just doing that one more time. This technique is gold, you guys. I'd love to see you get it down because you can use it in so many situations. It's pretty slow. 70 beats per minute. 2, 3.